What I have here with me is the latest headphone from Sivga. Sivga is known for their high quality headphones. I have worked on a handful of their headphones, the most impressive one being the SV023, and the Luan was very impressive too. This one is their P2 Pro. They had a P2 which was a planar based IM, and this is the P2 Pro with improved drivers. They are saying sapphire coated drivers, so this one is supposed to be able to handle or say deliver more clarity and more details without being stressed. So let's see what are the stuff we get when we pay around $450, I believe, or maybe they have opted for a slightly more expensive price. I'm not exactly sure about the exact pricing here, but it should be similar to that. Sivka, you guys can read P2 Pro, exactly same pads as the SV023, same kind of pads. I was not very comfortable with this kind of pads because it wasn't covering the head fully. So yeah, that's a small issue for a high quality IM when it comes to SV023 for sure. Let's have a look at some specification. You guys can see 32 ohms, so it's not difficult to drive, but the sensitivity is a bit on the lower side at 98 dB, so it will need some driving. The driver size is 97 by 76 mm, so it has a fairly big driver, not for a planar based IM, but if we look at the overall size of the driver, it is much bigger than dynamic drivers. So yeah, they have changed the design of the case. It was a bit more oval shaped, and this looks nice. This look nice, better than the SV023 and Luan cases. This one is much better, and the pads are a bit more larger than the SV023, so that is a good thing. Beautiful back plate. I'm loving this design. Very good looking, fantastic. Same bands, you guys will see. Headband is exactly same as SB023. Nothing has nearly changed. Metal, a bit more padding here. Same pads even. They have changed the wood a bit, and the back plate is different, or else nearly everything else is same, even from the pad, headband, and if you guys will look, the cable is 99% same, because you guys can see exactly similar looking cable, but this one is a bit more coppery. That one had a black coated core too, but this one is just transparent copper. And for a change, they have given 3.5 mm termination on the P2 Pro. They had given 2.5 mm with their previous two headphones, but this one is 3.5 mm, so it's a slightly different setup. I like this cable, very supple. You guys can see there is barely any memory issues. So yeah, very supple. I will compare it with a couple of headphones that I have with me right now. So I'm looking forward to this, the Sivga P2 Pro. So this is the unboxing. small pouch. This is the unboxing of Sivga P24. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.